Ladies and boys and girls, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the simple motion graphics in After Effects. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First thing first, create a new composition. Width 9020, height 1080, duration 10 or 20 seconds, your choice. Hit OK. Now set up the stage. Go over here, right click, new solid layer, name it background. OK. Now our background is ready. Next bring in the visuals. Import an image like this stunning Taj Mahal and drop it on the timeline. Reduce the scale size a little bit for that perfect fit. Hit F4 or toggle switch / modes to view this 3D and motion blur. Now let's mask this image. Grab the pen tool and create a mask around the Taj Mahal. Duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl+D or Command+D for Mac users. Open the mask on the bottom layer by pressing M on keyboard. Check inverted. Let me add a cool tint to this layer by going to Effects and Presets and add tint. Now let me add some flare to this image. Duplicate the top layer again. Place it below, right click, transform, vertical flip, then slide it down. Hit to Effects and Presets, add Gaussian blur. And increase the blurriness to 20. Press T to open opacity and drop opacity to 55. Next up, add a rectangle shape layer. Select this rectangle tool and set fill to a solid color, stroke to none, add a shape, place it below the image layers. Pick a light blue color. Let me pre-compose this shape layer by right-click pre-compose. Let me double-click on this pre-comp layer. Add a cloud video overlay. Adjust position and scale. Press F4 or toggle switch / modes. Set the cloud's video track matte to the shape layer. Now let's animate it. Go back to main comp, open position, set a keyframe, move it up. Then go a few frames forward and place it down. Easy is those keyframes. Open graph editor, adjust the speed graph like this to smooth the speed. Turn on motion blur for the cinematic touch. Now let's add some lines. Use the pen tool, set fill to none, stroke to solid color. Hold shift, draw a line like this. Place it over the shape. Add another shape layer above. Set both strokes to 1 pixels. Perfect. Under line shape layer, add trim paths. Keyframe n to 0. Then go a few frames forward, change to 100. Repeat for the second line layer. Set keyframe for end at 0, go few frames forward and change to 100. Now let's add some text. Grab the text tool, color black, reduce the font size, I'm using Baskerville font, align it with this paragraph icon. Trim the text line to 3 seconds. Now go to Effects Presets and add typewriter effect. Add this to the text layer. Place the end keyframe slightly closer. Now let me create a duplicate of this text layer. Place this text layer in here. Reduce the font size and select this paragraph option. Press U on keyboard to open all keyframes. Adjust the typewriter keyframes. Now let me add another text in here. Increase this font size and select this paragraph icon. Go to Effects Presets and add typewriter effect to this text layer. Now for some final touches. Drop a green screen birds video on top. Adjust scale and position. Go to Effects Presets and add Key Light 1.2 and select this color picker and select this green color. Set keyframe for opacity at the beginning and change to 0. Go few frames forward and change to 100. Let me mask this green screen video by select this rectangle tool. Create a mask like this. Under this green screen video layer, check inverted, increase feather value for soft edges. Let me make this text italic for style. Next, let me turn all layers 3D except background by adding this cube icon. Let me add a new camera by right-click New Camera. Press OK. Next, add a new null layer by right-click New Null Layer. Add this big tail from camera to null layer. Set keyframe for position. Go at 9 seconds and increase the position Z value. Ease both keyframes for a smooth zoom in effect. Yeah, and that's it, ladies and boys and girls. If you find this video useful, give a like, share and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.